Hi, my name is Annie from Motormatch Chester, and today I'll be taking you around one of our used cars for sale, which is this Toyota Prius Plus XL, with a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. This 2018 vehicle comes in a stunning pure white colour from two previous owners, and it boasts just 43,653 miles on the clock. Now the vehicle's LED headlights and daytime running lights ensure you're seen at all hours of the day, and the car sits on these stunning 17-inch alloy wheels for a fantastic look. The vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, making it easier to squeeze into any tighter parking spaces. And moving into the boot now, as you can see, the boot provides a great amount of storage space, and you do have the option of folding the second row seats for any larger items. With the third row seating up, you do have enough storage space for a small suitcase or a small shop, and these extra two seats do bring the total number to 7, making this the perfect family size vehicle. Into the second row seats now, they're finished in a part leather upholstery. We have seating for 3 people here, with both end seats including Isofix child seat preparation. Moving into the driver's side of the car now, we have the front seats. These seats have been designed to provide excellent comfort on those longer journeys. They can be heated, which is perfect for the winter months. The multifunctional steering wheel provides the driver with access to controls such as volume adjustment, and you do also have a lever located behind the wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. Taking a look up behind the wheel now, you will find the exact mileage and any trip information, and then moving down to the main media screen. On this media screen is where you have access to all of your entertainment options, so you do have the choice of the DAB, AM and FM radio wave bands, with a variety of preloaded radio stations to choose from. You can however connect devices via Bluetooth aux and USB to listen to your own music. Now you can use that Bluetooth function to connect your mobile device to make and take phone calls whilst out on the go. And this vehicle does also come with satellite navigation, making it easier to reach your chosen destination, and from here you can plan routes, save addresses and locate nearby points of interest for a smoother journey. By going into your setup tab, you can adjust any settings there to suit you, and you can view any information in the car tab here. Popping the car into reverse will bring up the display like so for your rear view camera, alerting you of any obstructions when manoeuvring. Just to the side of that media screen, you will find your start-stop button. You do also have your automatic gear selector there as well. Just next to there, you do have your controls for your climate control, ensuring the internal temperature is perfect for you and your passengers all year round. Moving down just below, you do have your ports for connecting devices, as well as your controls for your heated front seats. And then moving back, you do have a cup holder and your drive mode buttons. Thank you for watching this walkthrough video of the Toyota Prius Plus XL, and for more information on this vehicle, please contact our sales team here at Motormatch Chester.